You want to grow your other social media accounts by using TikTok, but you need some tips? In this video, I'm going to teach you everything that I do to drive traffic from TikTok to Instagram and how we went from 5,000 followers to over 20,000, all with this strategy. So let's talk about how to move traffic from TikTok over to Instagram. It's a very, very simple process to do so. One of the reasons is because in your profile, TikTok has made it very, very easy. So if you go to your profile page, you can see edit profile. Go ahead and click edit profile, scroll all the way to the bottom, and it's gonna ask you what is your Instagram. And so go ahead and connect your Instagram and connect your YouTube if you have a YouTube channel, and then hit save. So that's the number one way, because when anyone visits your profile, if they click on the Instagram icon and you have YouTube and Instagram there, they're gonna get the drop down menu and they can choose where they wanna go. The second thing you wanna do is, if you specifically wanna be even more intentional, inside of your bio where you have written, I help female course creators do ABC, which is what my bio says, then you can also write in there, follow me on IG, and then put your @Keenya Kelly. I don't have that in mind, but that is something that you can do. Now, when I first got started on TikTok, I did not have 1,000 followers, so I couldn't put a clickable link in my bio. Just in case you didn't know, you have to have 1,000 followers on TikTok in order to have a clickable link. So I said, well, what's the easiest thing to do next? And so what I decided to do was I updated my bio, and then I put follow me on Instagram @Keenya Kelly. But also, when I started creating TikTok videos, I would put in on the screen in my videos, follow on Instagram @Keenya Kelly. And slowly but surely, people started coming over to Instagram. Now, another thing, more strategic thing that I did is that I had a free training teaching them something about business. I couldn't remember exactly what it was. And there was a clickable link in my Instagram bio that was leading to that free training. So I would do these videos on TikTok, and on screen it would say, for this free training, visit Instagram and click the link on my profile. And then we had hundreds of people come from TikTok to Instagram to get that. And once they saw my content on Instagram, they all chose to follow my account. Also, in my videos, what I often do is at the end of a video, I will say, for more tips like this, come follow me on Instagram. I do teaching about this every single day @Keenya Kelly. And people move from TikTok all the time over to my profile. I know it sounds really simple, but oftentimes we're not doing these little bitty things that have quite the impact. Now, once I did have 1,000 followers and I was able to go live, then I started telling people to send me a DM on Instagram if you want more of a free training. Dozens of people, on a regular basis, come to my Instagram account, follow me, and DM and say, I saw the video, I want more information. Now, some of these videos I did 2 years ago, and they're resurfacing on TikTok, and people are coming to my DM to get the free training. That works so well, because when you're live and you got 10, 20 people there and you're teaching and talking and teaching and talking, and now they want this thing, they can get it for free, and all they have to do is go to your Instagram, then they typically will go to your Instagram. I do want to caution you that if you're trying to get people from TikTok to Instagram, understand that if you have 400,000 followers, it's not going to be instant to move 400,000 people to Instagram. It's just not likely. It's just not likely, okay? Now, it's also important for you to note that when people start coming to your Instagram account, you have to make sure you have great content there too, or they're not gonna follow you, because they're gonna judge you and judge your business, when they leave TikTok and go to that account. So make sure that the account on Instagram matches the same brand on TikTok, or they'll be very confused by the differences in who you are on this account versus this one. Like, I literally am the same person on every single social media account and in real life, okay? That is how you are going to move people from TikTok to Instagram to help grow your account. And I cannot wait to see your success. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click like and subscribe to get all the things about TikTok for your business.